Greetings, humans. Who am I? Well, I'm a spiritual being having a human experience just like you. But what have I done? My name is Coach Mrald Johnson, and I'm an award-winning mompreneur. I have 18 years under my belt of being a peak performance coach, and 16 of those years I've been teaching other parent-preneurs how to master time. Now, you might be wondering, is time really malleable to our thinking? Is that even possible? It absolutely is. There's just a couple steps before that. If you can master your mind, then you can become a master of your emotions. And when you can become a master of your emotions, then you can master time. It is malleable to your thinking. You can start living by design and stop living by default. But more about that later. I'm also a published author, and I'm a certified gold musician. So I'm living my life by design. Is it always easy? Of course not. But if it was, that would be boring. So if you're interested in learning more about how to make time malleable to your thinking, and you want to live by design and not by default, click the link somewhere around this video and set up a free strategy session with me. I'll see you on the other side.